biggest project right now on Telegram mini app narrative is this app called NOMIS app. This app will help you to know, record the transaction thus far on TONkeeper or any other and TON wallets. Now, many projects are beginning to use to connect to them. The latest is Aqua SP. Many people, right now, if you check the timelines, you see people talking about how to get the NOMIS app scores. This app will be huge. We are hearing that Hamster Combat might use them, and even TapSwap. So, how do you navigate this? All you have to do, you click the link on the description or the comment section, and it will take you to this kind of interface. The next you have to do is to click on Start. Click on Start. There, as you can see, I'm already on it. Then you click on Collect. Then you click on Farm. So I collected for today. Now, if you want to get to know your mint score, you click on this icon here. You click on this icon here. Click on this icon here. Let me move this. You click on this icon here. This one. So if you click on it, you will see this interface. Now, calculate TON score. Now, first and foremost, you must have connected. I want to disconnect this particular wallet because my score there is very low, and I have another one. So let me disconnect. So I want to log out of this wallet. Yes, I've logged out of that wallet. Now I want to connect a new wallet. I'll click on Connect Wallet. Then I'll go to TONkeeper. That's what happens to you too. So you come here, you see this interface, come to TONkeeper, click on TONkeeper. Now select, now I want to use this particular wallet. So I'll click on Connect Wallet now. The next thing I'll click on Connect Wallet here. Connect Wallet. So when I click on it, then I put my password, of course. Then done. So I'm back to Telegram. It's connecting. So once it finished connecting now, it will show me my score. If I go to the next step now, so you see wallet connected now. Calculate TON score. I click on calculate TON score. Look at it. We're calculating your score. Now, for those of you that are farming Aqua, you need to do this to get Aqua. Okay. So this is what I got. 19. My score is 19. So if I can mint this. I can mint this score. If I want, let me click on mint score for free. Very important. Please mint your score for free now, because I learned that very soon it will not be free. So just take this advantage now and mint your score. So I'm minting my score now. So you can check out if you minted on gemsget.io. Gemsget.io. So your transaction is pending in few seconds now. My score will be here. So guys, this is how you can maximize this. So as you can see, my score is available now. So beautiful. So guys, this is how to use the NOMIS app. Now you can as if you want to farm this project, you can click on farm. Come here I think every 4 hours. Okay, 8 hours you collect gems. As you can see, I've already gotten almost 2,000 and something. And this project is huge. It will be one of the biggest projects on Telegram. So guys, don't fade and enter early and don't fail. Now let me mint. Let me mint my score here now. So bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.